The version 2 Omni, the body and the handle are slightly smaller, in which case, same thing, Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw. Handle will come away, exposing a different spring cartridge but the same valve. Spring cartridge again has a grub screw in the bottom that you can remove. The spring cartridge will come out, exposing the plate that holds the valve in, similar to the version 1. Box spanner that comes with the valve. Undo the plate. Again, if it's too tight, you can put a bar through the holes. Once the plate's loose, we've changed the body inside. Plate, valve which was the same, and the new nylon with seals. When you replace it, if you have a new one of those, replace that in. When you put it in, make sure the seal's facing backwards. The locating lugs on the version 2 are on the opposite side to the version 1. So where previously the lugs would be at the bottom, they're now at the top. Put the valve in, make sure it locates. Take your plate, line it up. Use the box spanner to do the plate up, which retains the valve. Spring cartridge can go back with the 2 locating lugs and the gap for the grub screw. Push that in. The grub screw in to retain the spring cartridge. Handle back on. Tighten the screw to retain the handle. Cap back on. Valve changed on a version 2.